Creating a sales forecast in TeamGate CRM is simpler than you might think, but there's a lot to consider to get the most accurate results. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through exactly how to create a sales forecast and share some tips along the way. By the end of this video, you'll know how to leverage TeamGate CRM for your business, but you'll also discover alternatives that might just be a better fit for your needs. First off, let's dive into TeamGate CRM's interface. If you're unfamiliar, TeamGate is a sales management software with a focus on simplicity. When you want to create a sales forecast, it's all about making sense of the data you've already collected, and TeamGate lets you do that seamlessly. Now, how do you create a sales forecast? The first thing you want to do is navigate to your sales pipeline. This is where all your opportunities live, and the pipeline view gives you a great overview of where each deal stands. Next thing, once you're in the pipeline view, you'll want to filter your deals based on the time period you're forecasting for. TeamGate allows you to specify the date range, whether it's monthly, quarterly, or yearly, so you can create forecasts that match your business's needs. This is helpful because accurate forecasting depends on knowing the exact time frame you're analyzing. Once you've selected your time frame, TeamGate uses the probability of closing deals to automatically generate the forecast. This makes it easier to predict how much revenue you're likely to generate in that period. The third thing you'll want to focus on is adjusting the forecast based on deal stages. In TeamGate, every deal goes through various stages from lead to close. The system automatically calculates the probability of closing based on these stages. However, you can also manually adjust these probabilities based on your own judgment. For example, if you feel a deal in the negotiation stage is more likely to close, you can increase the probability, making your forecast more accurate. Next, let's talk about tracking the sales activities and how they tie into the forecast. As you log calls, meetings, and follow-ups in TeamGate CRM, the system automatically updates your forecast based on the activities associated with each deal. This gives you a dynamic, real-time view of your potential revenue, which is extremely valuable when you need to adjust quickly to changes in your pipeline. The fifth thing is the reporting feature. Once your forecast is set, TeamGate allows you to generate reports that give you insights into your sales performance. You can visualize your forecast through charts and graphs, helping you and your team understand trends and make better decisions going forward. This is where TeamGate shines, with its simple yet powerful reporting tools. Now, while TeamGate is great, there are some other CRM tools you might want to consider if creating an accurate sales forecast is your main goal. Alternatives like HubSpot CRM and Salesforce also offer robust forecasting features. However, compared to TeamGate, they can be more complex and may require additional training or setup. HubSpot is a solid option if you want a free CRM with sales forecasting tools, but it doesn't always give you the level of customization that TeamGate offers. Salesforce, on the other hand, is incredibly powerful, but it can be overwhelming for smaller businesses due to its steep learning curve and pricing structure. To wrap it up, while TeamGate CRM offers a smooth and user-friendly experience for creating sales forecasts, there are definitely some alternatives worth exploring depending on your needs. If you want a more straightforward solution, TeamGate is a great option. But for those who need something more customizable and powerful, you might want to look into alternatives like HubSpot or Salesforce. Remember, if you're interested in TeamGate CRM, you can get an exclusive and extended free trial through the link in the description below, but I've also added some amazing alternatives that might be a better fit for your forecasting goals. These alternatives come with their own free trials and offer exclusive benefits, so make sure to check them out as well.